Hello again, this is Mike from Toy Train Tips and Tricks, and I've started cleaning the cars that came with the Scout set that I picked up recently on eBay and showed in a different video. And it came to me that there's a common issue with Scout trucks that some folks would like to see the answer to. And on these Scout side frames, whether it's the original Scouts with the Scout coupler or whether it's the semi-Scout with a knuckle coupler, these Scout side frames develop this yellowish or whitish gunk on them over time, and it's really annoying, but it's common to pretty much all of them. And it has to do with the type of mold release agent that Lionel used on this plastic over time. I've heard two different things. One, that it's the chemical itself oxidizing, and the other thing that I've heard is that it's actually some type of a bacteria living on the old chemical. Either way, it's annoying, it's unsightly, but it is easy to get rid of, and I'm going to show you how to do that today. I'm going to use a paper towel and a hair dryer, and we are just going to melt this off. So I've got my hair dryer here. I'm going to turn it on low. Let's see what happens. And you can see it's already starting to change color back to black, as that mold release agent melts away. And after only a few seconds, the gunk is gone. So then just take your paper towel, or in this case a napkin, and kind of wipe off the residue. It'll look a little shiny and wet from the stuff that melted. But there you go, good as new. The black is back. How's this side? Let's get rid of the stuff on this side. Same thing. Turn it on low. And watch the gunk disappear. And just like that, it's just like new. Again, it's a little shiny. I don't know if you can see that. Woo, it is hot. A little shiny and wet. I'm going to take the paper towel, clean the residue off. And there we go. It's just like new. Let's do one more. That one is really interesting. Almost looks like paint there. But again, just after a few seconds with a hair dryer, ta-da, it's gone. And we are just like new. So, a quick little tip if you've got gunk growing on your Scout trucks. All you need is a hair dryer and a little paper towel or some Q-tips or something to wipe up the residue. And a few seconds, it's all taken care of. Now, some folks will then treat that with, WD-40 or some other type of cleaner. For me, it's just good like that. It takes a long time for the gunk to grow back, if it ever does. But if it does, just hit it for a few seconds with a hair dryer and you're all set. So, as always, thank you for watching. Like it, share it, tell your friends, tell your neighbors, and subscribe. And we'll catch you with our next video.